Hadassah will try sushi. This one is yummy, Hadassah. Crunchy. And the one with cream cheese. What is this? Be careful, Hadassah. What do you like? Do you want this? What's your favorite, Hadassah?
My favorite is probably going to be
Okay, Hadassah like to eat the seafoods. May coconut yan, babe. What's this? Ribs. Beautiful bill. First time I entered this. Ay, ang ganda dito. Mamaya kuhaan natin yung sa labas, ha? Beautiful. Be, ang sarap nito, be. Chili Relleno. Nasaan yun? Ito. Chili Relleno. May cheese siya, be. Healthy vegetables. Chili Relleno, be. Try natin to, be. They have tortilla. So, hindi ko to alam. Ang galing, no? Mexican style. Kain muna tayo. Wala, ang sarap. Super sarap. Super anghang yan, be, ng green sauce. Super anghang niya. Kain muna tayo. Sobrang sarap niya, be. Pita bread daw to. Is this pita bread?
Tortilla.
Ay, tortilla pala. Nakikidip tayo, ah. Ganyan siya, be. Try natin. Super sarap. Tapos na tayo, be. Tara na. Maraming nagla-lunch, be. You did apple day today? Was it fun? Share that to ate, ha?
Mommy, give it to me.
Ooh, can I see? 1, 2, 3, show them. Hi! Galing sila sa school, be. Sinundo natin. Naglakad lang kami. Exercise, so naglakad lang tayo. Tsaka maganda yung view dito. Oh, nakakamiss tong lugar na to, be, paglipat natin. Wala yatang ganito dun. Kasi ano lang dun, parang housing, ganon, bahay-bahay. Pwede na, okay lang. Kahit saan naman tayo, diba? Kahit saan ito. Parang si ano eh. Parang gremlin. Parang gremlin eh. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang init ngayon, be. 2:45 ng hapon. Grabe, super init. Sky. Dito ba? Grabe yung sun. Init talaga. Ayan. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. We love you. Hanggang sa muli. Kita kits.